Streamline your lead generation and avoid letting leads fall through the cracks with our Web-to-Lead Creator. Without the Web-to-Lead Creator, you probably receive an email notification when you get a web-generated lead. Someone then needs to check that email and manually key a new record into your CRM for follow-up. Not only does this approach take extra time and effort, but your leads can sometimes languish unnoticed in inboxes or get entered incorrectly. The Web-to-Lead Creator keeps your leads from falling through the cracks, ensures your lead records are entered correctly, centralizes those records, and enables you to set up workflows or other follow-up automations easily. Just set up a simple web form to gather the information you need for a new lead. You can use our default form or customize one to fit seamlessly into your website or landing page design. The Web-to-Lead Creator automatically creates and populates lead records into your Dynamics 365 system, so you can assign them to a member of your sales team or add them to a marketing campaign. There's no need to check emails, create email integration, or write any extra code. The Web-to-Lead Creator does it all for you.